All right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live session. You guys know what it is. We're live here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys exactly how we make around $1,000 to $5,000 a day. And yesterday was a great live. We had a whole bunch of people that came. We all made money. You guys know what time it is. It's AKA money time. So let's get started. So the first thing that we'll go over is exactly what the steps to actually make money are. So what we've actually done is we've tried and we've tested every single thing that you could possibly imagine for years and years. We tested, we tried, and none of those things work. This is the only thing that actually works over time, and it's because when we're doing when we're looking at the range bars, our trading system, it's not based on time. Okay, so I'm going to be going through all of these things, exactly how our system works, how our strategy works, what we do, and how we're able to make what your monthly income is every single day. All right. So for anyone who's just joining, welcome to the live. Guys, go to my website, akapwc.com. It's right there. And all of the steps are there. And it actually doesn't get easier. It's right here. Step 1. Register on GOOOOO, which is the trading platform we're using. They're licensed and regulated, so it's safe and secure. And the best part is they have the lowest fees that we found. Now, most of you guys, if you're trading already, you're obviously losing money. And what you're not realizing is that a lot of your money just goes to fees. The spreads, the commissions, the swaps, the maker fees, the taker fees, the monthly fees, all of these really add up. And you're losing thousands of dollars every single year just on the fees. Now, because we've been trading for so long, what we've realized is that finding an actual trading platform that has low fees will end up increasing our profit margins by a lot. Because just as any business has expenses, when it comes to trading, our expenses are the fees. Right. So what we want to do is we always want to make sure we're minimizing our fees. Now, step 2 is you access our range bar system. All right. So what is our range bar system? This is basically it's our custom setup that we've made, and it runs live on our website that you get access to completely for free. It's over a $500,000 trading system. It actually costs us over $500,000 to build and develop. And we just give it to you so you can have it. It's completely for free. Now, if you look at these range bars, it looks so easy to understand and follow and see what's going on because you can very clearly see, okay, we were in an uptrend and now we're in a downtrend and then we're going back into an uptrend. It's so easy to see. Why is that? The reason is because these bars are based on price only. So they're only generated when the market actually moves. All right. So Hazen is saying Abato gave me 250 US for just setting up my account. That's crazy. Exactly. So I actually just saw that. I think they just started that a while ago. So guys, if you go get your Abato account set up right now, you literally get $250. What are you waiting for? All you have to do is follow these steps, which is you register your free account, you verify yourself, which every trading platform makes you do anyways, and you get a $250 bonus just for doing that. That's crazy. So guys, go get your account set up right now on abato.com. All of the links, you could go to the bio, which will take you right to my website, akapwc.com. All of the links are there. All right. So let's get started. And then step 3, guys, step 3 is actually one of the most important steps because over here, step by step, I've made videos that are very short, very concise, very easy to understand and learn from. So let's go here. You can see. So the first one is start here. So if you click start here, it shows you the exact steps, how to verify your account, how to deposit using crypto, how to deposit with credit or debit card, how to deposit with MetaMask, or how to deposit with bank transfer. So basically how to get your account set up. And if you do this, if you just verify your account, which the steps are right there, they're going to give you $250. So don't waste time. Next, you're going to go to learn the system. Okay, so click learn the system. But the one thing that you guys have to remember is all of this is completely for free. We never charge anyone any money to learn how to trade. And the reason is because we actually make money from the markets. Anywhere else you go, 100% guaranteed, you will get scammed 100%. And the reason is because they're going to sit there. They're going to give you this crazy story of how they turned 5 cents into $10 million and how you can do it too. And all of this information is just hidden behind this paywall of whatever, $500 or $1,000, or their Discord is $200-$300 a month, or all of these things that they're charging you money for. But apparently they're claiming they can take 50 cents to $1 million or $10 million. Guys, that's the same thing as trying to take $1,000 to $100 million. And guess what? Nobody's ever done that. Obviously, it's possible to take your account and maybe 10x it, 20x it, 50x it for sure, because the market does give us those opportunities. But the reality is, you could get up into the 6 figures, then into the 7 figures, but then it gets much, much harder. So if you're sitting and you have less than 6 figures in your account right now, currently, what you need to do is go get started right away, because there's no other business that has this much potential where you can start to make this amount of money. It just doesn't exist. There's no pizza shop. There's no convenience store. There's no other business that you can possibly run that can make you this much money. The reason is because this is how the world actually goes around. The reason that you have electricity, the reason you have a car, the reason you even have gas to put in your car is all because of this. It's because the markets are moving. All right, and it's because of trading. So let's get started. Let's get into the trading strategy. What's up? Farley saying, I made an account on a bottle after your live yesterday. Still did not get the 250. So Farley, you had to verify your account. So as long as you verify your account, you submit the documents, get it verified. They say on their website it takes about 24 hours. Yeah, exactly. Rick got it. Oh, yeah, it's not the email. You have to verify your actual. So here, let me actually show you guys how to do it. So click your email on the top right corner. Then what you're going to do is right here, you're going to click on personal info. Okay, you're going to click personal info. Then up here, you're going to click the verification tab. Okay, click the verification tab. It's right there. Now, once you click verification, you have to submit your documents. So front and back, I just did driver's license, and then I just did a phone bill for the residence document, just something that has your name and address on it. Once you have it uploaded, then click send for verification. All right. So, yeah, for sure, Farley, let's go. Hazen already got his 250 from Abato, so definitely go get your $250. Let's get started. Let's go. W204 is saying, anyone here already? Yeah, exactly. There's so many people that join every single day. All of my trades are done live, so you can watch exactly when I'm entering, where I'm entering, how I'm entering, and you can basically follow along, learn. And it's completely free, and I do it live every single day. All right, so let's get into the trading strategy. Okay, so now you have access to Abato, which is a trading platform. You have access to our range bars, and you have access to the whole library of knowledge on our school community. Now, how do the range bars work? Okay, so it's very simple. So basically, what we're looking for is the reversal on the range bar. So what is a reversal? So you guys know the markets only go 2 ways. So they go up and they go down. That's it. There's only 2 ways the markets go. And we want to catch the moment that trend is changing. So if it's going down, and as soon as it starts to go up, that's where we want to catch it. And if it's going up, as soon as it starts to come down, that's where we want to catch it. But here's the thing. How will we do that? The way that we do it is because we use our range bar system. So if you look at the range bar system, right here, you can see we were in a very clear and clean uptrend, okay? And by the way, our system runs on all the markets. It runs on Forex, it runs on commodities, like gold and oil, it runs on stocks, it runs on foreign exchange, so Forex. It even runs on indices, so like NASDAQ, S&P. So basically any market that you would possibly want to trade, we have the range bars running directly on our website, and it runs completely for free. So right here, you can see when it goes from green to red, this is where we want to be entering sell trades as long as the super trend is also red. Okay. Now, as soon as the range bars go from red to green, that's when we're trying to look for a buy trade, as long as the super trend is also green. So what is the super trend? So you can see right here, the super trend shows us the overall trend of the market. So you can see right here, it was red, then it was green, then it's red again. So if the super trend is red, that means the overall market trend is coming down. So what we want to do is we only want to be taking sell trades. Now, you guys know when it comes to trading, we can make money in both directions. Okay, so what does that mean? So a lot of people are very confused about the difference between trading and investing. Okay, so when it comes to investing, there's two really, really big problems. Okay, most people don't understand this. When you're investing, you can only make money if the markets go up. That's a huge problem because we know that obviously the markets also come down. So massive problem with investing right there. Second big problem with investing is you can only invest with the capital that you have. So, a lot of people think, oh man, Bitcoin went up to 120, 130,000. I wish I bought Bitcoin. Okay, well, here's the thing. Let's go back in time. Let's say Bitcoin was 50,000. Be realistic right now. How much would you really have put into Bitcoin? Would you have put $1 million, $10 million, $100 million? No. What you would have put is probably 500. Let's be realistic. You would have probably put 500, 600, maybe 1,000. Now, if Bitcoin went from 50,000 to 100, that means you actually would have only made $500, and that would have taken about 1 to 2 years, because that's how long it took Bitcoin to actually get up to 120,000. So this is the problem with investing, is that we don't have enough money, and secondly, we can only make money when the markets go up. All right. Now, the second, the reason we do trading is because we can make money whether the markets go up or down. So these are two different contracts that we're entering in the market. If I click buy on any market, it could be any market. It could be British pound or Tesla or Bitcoin, or it could be anything. And remember, it's all the same. If I click buy and the price goes up, we make money. Great. Most people get that. But guess what? If I was to click sell on any market, again, Bitcoin, Tesla, British pound, euro, oil, like gold, whatever, and if I click sell and the price comes down, we can make money. All right. So here's what you need to realize about that. It doesn't matter which market we're trading, and then it also doesn't matter if it's going up or down. We make money every single day, regardless of market and regardless of what the market's doing. Because a buy trade is the same exact thing as a sell trade. And trading Bitcoin is the same exact thing as trading Tesla or gold or NASDAQ or British pound or euro or Japanese yen. All of this, it's all the same. So here's the reality. The reality is, if you really understood what I just said, you'll realize that there's nothing else you should be doing except trading. Because in this market, every single day, there's trillions of dollars of volume, and what we do is we just extract a small percentage. So we just extract 0.000001%, and when we do that, we make enough money that people actually consider us rich, okay, by normal people standards. But what I need to explain to you is that every single day I come live here, we do all our trades live, and if you're still watching, stop wasting time. Go get set up, go get started, go to my website, akpwc.com, and just follow the steps. It's completely free. You actually have nothing to lose. All you have to do is learn. That's it. And it's completely free. All right. So Landry's saying, how does it work? So very simply, this is how it works. Okay. So you go to my website, akpwc.com. You should watch this video, because in this video, I show you a live trade where I made over $31,000 in one trade, and I show you how I do it. Okay, step by step. Then, once you actually feel that burn of understanding that I made what you probably make in a whole year, I made it in just a few minutes, then what you got to do is just follow these steps. Okay, so step 1, you register on Ibotta, which is a licensed and regulated trading platform. Step 2, you access our range bar system. Step 3, you watch the training videos to show you exactly how to get started, because it's not difficult. It's actually very simple, very easy to follow along with. And you guys are all very intelligent people, and I know that you can do that, all right? Now, here's the thing. Let's go over, a lot of people are like, where are you located? What is this? So guys, we have an office here in the Toronto area. Take a screenshot. It's right there on the screen. So it's 1325 Eglinton Avenue East. It's open 7 days a week. Even on holidays, we're open from 11 till 5 o'clock every single day. If you're in Toronto, come visit us in person. You can even call me at any time. There's my phone number. Take a screenshot. All right. Now, let's go through this right here. So basically, the way that our trading strategy works, I'm going to walk you guys through the entire trading strategy, and then let's do a trade. Let's do a $1,000 USD trade right here in front of you guys. You guys know yesterday we had take profit 2 for 1,000. You guys know we do this every single day. All right, so let's actually see if there's any trade that we can take here right now. All right, so what am I looking for? So what I'm looking for right here is what color is the super trend? Okay, so if the super trend right here, you can see on Ethereum, the super trend is green, that means we're only looking for buy trades, okay? Now, if I go over to Bitcoin and we look at the super trend on Bitcoin, the super trend is red. So on Bitcoin, we're only looking for sell trades, all right? Now, yo, what up, Steve? What's going on? Robert is saying, what time do you go live every single day? So every day I go live around this time, and in about 7 hours from now, I do a nighttime live as well. So let's see. What up, Abhishek? What's going on? Dale, I got you. So let's see right here. Okay, so on Ethereum, we're actually getting this reversal. So you can see the Ethereum range bars are going from red to green. Okay, what does this mean? This means that we're looking for a buy trade. All right, so let's go over to Ethereum. And the reason we're trading Ethereum right now, or crypto, is because it's the weekend. So all the other markets are closed, but we do trade gold, we trade NASDAQ, we trade Forex pairs, we trade all the markets throughout the week. But for now, we're just going to be doing a trade right here on Ethereum. All right, so here is, so you guys can see we're getting the reversal. And then the super trend is also green. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take a buy trade right here. All right, guys, so I just entered a buy trade right here on Ethereum. Now, right away, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit at $1,000, okay? So I'm going to click and drag my entry down right here. You guys can see, so this is my stop loss, negative 1,000. And I'm going to click and drag my entry up, and you guys can see right here, there's my take profit of 1,000. Just gonna drag this down so you guys can see. All right, so click and drag it up. There you go, 1,000. And now we're just going to let it ride out. So basically, so Ali is saying, hi, super trend on what time frame? So we're always on the 1 minute time frame. All right, so let me walk you guys through the entire strategy right now. So step one, we look for the reversal on the range bar. So if it's going from green to red or red to green. Then we go over and we look at the super trend on a 1 minute chart. And if it's the same color as the reversal candle, so let's say the range bars are going from red to green, and you can see the super trend is also green, then we're going into a buy trade. Now, what we're going to do is we're always going to risk less than 1%. So now we risk less than 1%, we enter the trade. Now what? Okay, so step one, range bar reversal. Step two, super trend confirmation. Step three, risk less than 1%. Step four, now that the trade is open, we always set our stop loss and take profit at 100 points. 100 points above, 100 points below. All right, so now that we've set our stop loss 100 points above, 100 points below, what's the next step? The next step is we don't touch the trade. That's it. That's the entire trading strategy. That trading strategy took us over 4 years to test and build and develop, and it cost us over $500,000, and we give it to you. You can have it. It's completely for free. So let's get started now. Let's see right here. So Daku is saying scam. All right, so here's the thing. Let me explain to you what the dictionary definition of a scam is. It's when you pay someone something and then you don't receive the product that you were promised. That's what a scam is. Now, here's the thing. I actually never charge anyone anything. You guys have never, ever paid me even a single penny. So it is physically impossible for me to scam you. It's literally impossible because I actually say on live every single day, never send me any money. I don't sell any courses. I don't sell any bots. So you literally will never pay me anything. So guess what? This is the only place on this planet where you can learn how to trade without getting scammed. Because if you go anywhere else, 100% guaranteed you will get scammed. All right, what's the win rate? Robert is asking. So Robert, let me show you guys, okay? So we get a win rate of around 60 to 65%, and let me show you my entire trading history. I'm the only one that will show you this. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Here it is. So it's almost 3,200 trades in this trading history. So you can see here's all of our winning and losing trades, okay? I'm the only one that shows you this very publicly, very transparently. Check this out. Check this out. Again, nobody will ever show you what I'm showing you right here. So let's go all the way down. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So check this out. We started this account January 3rd, 2024. So we started this account last year. So it's been just over a year and a half. And we started it with $200,000. Guess how much we've made in the past year and a half? We've made profit of $517,772.80 in the past year and a half. And guys, guess what? All of these trades were done live. Guess what? You could have followed along if you had everything ready. Guess what? Every single day, I'm going to continue to keep doing this. And all you need to do is just follow along. It actually doesn't get easier. The only thing stopping you is just your own laziness. That's really all it is. Because otherwise, I'm here live. We make money every single day. What are you waiting for? Go right now. Steve is saying he bought my course. He bought my course for $0. Exactly, Steve. You got it. Let's see. Cliff is saying the bigger the price on the range bars, the slower they move, right? Yeah, exactly. So some range bars, the parameters are set because we had to test them. Every single market works a little bit differently. So all of them are set a little bit different, right? But as you trade a certain pair using the range bars, you'll understand how the range bars move, how they work. And exactly, Cliff, clearly you've been using the range bars and looking at the range bars for a while, so you're getting it. And that's exactly what it comes down to. It's all about experience and learning and getting better every single day at being consistent. It's not getting better at trading. It's actually getting better at being consistent. That's the biggest problem that most people have, because everyone has those days where they've made $2,000 a day trading, $5,000 a day trading, 10, 15, 20, $100,000 a day trading. Everyone has had those. The problem is consistency. So this is what I'm here to try to show you guys. So we did over $500,000 in the past year and a half USD, and I show you guys live every single day. So what are you waiting for? Go get your account set up, get it started. And Abato right now, guys, Abato is giving you guys $250 if you register your account and verify it. So what are you waiting for? Go to abato.com right now, get your account set up, and you get a $250 trading account completely for free, which is crazy. Murphy saying, what indicator are you using? So Murphy, we're using the super trend indicator. For anyone who's just joining live here, let me show you guys exactly how to get the super trend indicator. So what you're going to do is click indicators on the top, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to see this yellow indicator store button. All right, so go ahead and click that. And now right up here where it says search by name, you're going to type in super, S-U-P-E-R, and just click enter, okay? Click enter. And guys, guess what? There we go. There's the super trend. There's over 15,100 people that are using the super trend indicator. What are you waiting for? Click super trend, then you're going to click install. Obviously, I already have it installed, but you're going to click install. There we go. All right, now to apply it to the chart, because now you have the super trend indicator installed to your trading platform. Now you're going to go back into indicators, and then what you're going to do is you're going to find the super trend indicator right here under trend. Under the trend drop down, you're going to see it says super trend. So you're just going to click it. And right here, remember, we don't change any settings, okay? We just use the default settings and then just click apply. All right, once you've clicked apply, there we go, guys. You have the super trend indicator. It's actually so insane the way that it works. I'm about to show you over time how it looks. All right, you can't do two accounts. I want to register right now. I think it's only one account that you can register on Abato, but I mean, email them, see what they'll do. What if you already have an account? Can you already get the bonus? So rolling, I mean, just email them or see what they say. Can I, as a beginner, learn trading from your course? Ozigi, exactly. That's what it's meant for. It's meant for it's meant for everyone. If you've never even heard of trading, but you know that there's so much potential because, the hedge funds are doing it, the banks are doing it. Guys, remember, this is the same business as hedge funds and banks. We're in the same business, okay? So, if you've never traded before, you've never heard of trading before, congratulations, you're actually in the best place that you could have possibly landed, because I don't sell a course. I don't sell a bot. I don't sell a subscription. You never have to pay me. All you have to do is you just go to my website and just follow the steps. And I've made videos on how to do everything step by step. Okay, so just go to my website, aka pwc.com, and just follow the steps. Right here, Ms. Shanton saying, I'm sorry I'm late. What's the website for the platform? So right here, if you just go to my website, akpwc.com, guys, all of the links are there. All right, all the links are there. Now, let's see. How long is consistency? Platypus is asking. Is 5 months of continuous profit long enough? So the reality is it should be at least 1 to 3 years. Because here's what I want you guys all to understand. You all, if you actually put in a little bit of effort and a little bit of dedication, like you do with, I don't know, anything, like you do with buying shoes, or buying clothes, which is such a crazy waste of time and money and effort, instead of researching on Reddit what type of fabric is good, how about you go and start to learn how to trade? Because guess what? If you can build a trading history, a track record, which is, how I showed you guys we made over 500,000 in the past year and a half. If you can do that for just a year or two, you can actually go out and raise large amounts of money. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually start a hedge fund yourself, potentially, because this is the same exact steps that anyone who has a profitable trading system, anyone that has a profitable trading strategy does this exact thing. They don't sell courses. Anyone that's profitable in the markets does not sell courses. Remember that for the rest of your life, okay? What's the broker name? So we're trading on abado.com, ABBADO.com. What's the best broker for a beginner? So just go to abado.com because they're licensed, they're regulated. I've been using them for a few years now. I trade on it myself. Register on their web trader platform. So go get started. Ozigi, I got you. Let's go. Ms. Shanta, I got you. No problem. So what price do you like to set your range bars up for? So guys, here's the thing. Our custom range bar system is set up exactly perfectly in order for us to be able to follow this strategy that we're using consistently every single day. Okay. So this is our custom system, custom setup, custom parameters. So if you want it, you can go get it for free on our website. You don't even have to pay, Cliff. All right, let's see what's going on with our trade. All right, guys, so our trade right now is hovering around $190 in profit. We're just going to let it ride out. You guys know we never actually touch the trade because here's the problem. Most people are way too emotional when you're trading because you'll see, oh, $60, I'm going to take it. Oh, you see $40, oh, I'm going to take it. But here's the thing. There's no consistency, but every single day I come live here and I'm consistent and I show you guys exactly. Guys, our trade is at around $200, around 150. We're hovering, but who do you know that makes hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars live in front of you every single day and then shows you step by step without charging you anything? It's crazy. All right. SNM is saying, do you have a promo code? I do. It's AKPWC. I appreciate you, SNM. I appreciate you. Let's go, guys. We're at $360 in profit, $330 right now. Let's go. Let's go. It's still hovering. We're going to let it go. We're going to let it ride out because you guys know we never actually touch our trade. All right. So let's see what's going on. Keep thanks for the follow. Crystal, let's go. Denoy, Ozigi, let's go. Guys, remember, we're doing all of this profit and all of this was done live. So literally, if you had your account set up, if you had your account funded, which you should do right now. And remember, the main thing that I say every single day is that there's so much money to be made in the markets. Every day that you're not doing it is just money being missed out on. Now, the main thing you have to remember is we're always risking less than 1%. So what I'm trying to show you guys is that, all of the profit that you see here is just a side effect of safety. It's just because I'm being safe every single day. I'm risking less than 1%. I'm being consistent. I'm following a profitable trading strategy that's been tested over 50 years of data. All of these things lead me to becoming profitable on a daily basis. Cliff is saying all stocks and futures move differently, can't fit everything. Exactly. This is why all of the range bars are set differently. They're all using our custom parameters, which are all different and separate. And that's why they're running live from our servers for you guys to have access to forever. Now, which market is the best on the weekend? So here's the thing. On the weekend, from Friday evening to Sunday evening. So tomorrow evening, the markets will open back up, the traditional markets. But for during the weekend, I usually trade Bitcoin, and sometimes when there's a lot of volume, I like to trade Ethereum as well. So right now we are actually in an Ethereum trade. So we're in an Ethereum buy trade right here. Now, can we start with 200? Yeah, Pally, for sure. You can start with anything, but the main thing is to actually start. What I always say is you should start with as much as possible, then we risk as little as possible. But people will always do the opposite. People will start with as little as possible, then risk as much as possible, and then what's going to happen? You're going to blow your account. You're going to end up losing money. This is the only place where you're going to be able to come live and see me do all my trades live and see me make thousands of dollars in profit every single day, and be able to see how an actual trader does it. Not someone who's selling a course, not someone who's selling a bot or selling any paid Discord or subscriptions. None of that. We don't deal with any of that nonsense. Because here's the thing. The main reason I'm actually here is because currently I'm in the process, and I'm showing you guys exactly how you can do this too. I'm in the process of raising about $100 million in order to scale my business, because I need to be able to create a huge fund with billions of dollars eventually, because I want to be able to manage billions of dollars. I'm going to walk you guys through the exact steps of how you can also do it. Now, guys, there we go. Our trade is at about $550 in profit right now. And again, we're going to continue to let this ride out. Let's go. Hakeem is saying, how can I see when you're online so I can follow you? So Hakeem, all you got to do is make sure you guys give me a follow right now and then turn on the live notification. So there's a bell. If you go to my profile, there's a bell there. Click there and then it says live videos. Turn that on. Turn it on now, because guess what? You're gonna get a notification every single time when I go live, so you can join. And then we can all be making money, because that's what I do here live every single day. All I do is I make money. I basically make your monthly income almost every single day. Every single day. I come live and I show you how I do it. So if you're still waiting, just stop. Stop wasting time. Go right now to my website. You should actually go right now, because I'm still going to be live for a few minutes. Go right now. Go to akpwc.com. Follow the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Get your account funded. Get it verified. Ibotta will give you $250 so you can start practicing. But then still, get your account funded properly, and let's start making money every single day. Yeah, Vantage. So they give you a $250 bonus right now. Hakeem is saying, thanks, I'll be following you. So if I start with 1K, I should do $10 trades. Exactly. Look, what I'm trying to show you guys here is how you can make extra income every single day. An extra $50, an extra $100, an extra $200, an extra $1,000 a week, an extra $5,000, $10,000 a month. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. It's about making income every single day. Because guess what? I make around $1,000 to $5,000 a day. But look at what my balance is at. My account balance is $647. Almost $648,000. On that, I'm making around $1,000 to $5,000 a day. All right, what's the website? Steven is asking. Steph is asking. It's akapwc.com. The link is in my bio, guys. It's literally just my name. Just go akapwc.com. And yeah, exactly, Hakeem. So let's say on a $1,000 account, you start doing $10 trades. Obviously, you're not just going to do one trade. You know, you're going to do a few trades. So let's say at the end of the day, you win some trades, lose some trades, but you're up $60, $80, $120. That's insane. That's crazy. That's an excellent, oh my God, guys, there we go. We're at $976 in profit. And there we go, guys. Congratulations. We just hit take profit for $1,000. We just made $1,000 USD live. You didn't have to pay for a course. You didn't have to pay for a subscription. All you had to do was go and have your Abado accounts funded and then just follow along. Congratulations, guys. You guys know what time it is. It's AKA money time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Hakeem. Let's go. Indra hit take profit. Hazen hit take profit. Let's go. Ranch hit take profit. Dan hit take profit. Congratulations. Let's get started. All right, so basically this is what we did, okay? Just so you guys understand, right here we had a pullback. Right here we had a pullback, okay? So we were getting this pullback and we saw it on the range bars, and then right here we entered our buy trade. Then we set our stop loss and take profit at 100 points. And then guys, it just took a few minutes. You know, the markets always go in waves. So it took a few minutes and boom, look at this huge candle and we hit $1,000 in take profit. Congratulations. Let's go. Okay. And so yeah, basically how were we even able to see that the reversal was happening? Because we could see it on the range bars. So right here on the range bars actually went from red to green. So they went from red to green and you can see this huge move. This is what we just caught, guys. We just caught this move right here, which is insane. And all you had to do was, actually if you look right here, it looked just like this. It looked just like this, where we were in a downtrend and we're getting a reversal. And you guys know, I was like, wait, we're getting a reversal right here. I'm going to enter a buy trade. And we entered a buy trade, and guys, huge move up. So congratulations to everybody who's following along, who's learning, who's making money every single day. Let's go. And yeah, the real Joe, you can use Abado from anywhere in the world. All right, Jose, what's going on, man? What's going on? Let's see. Jose saying, what are you trading? So we just did $1,000 take profit trade on Ethereum, guys. You guys know we do this live here every single day. All right. All right, guys. Yeah. All right, guys. So, here's the thing. Who else do you know that comes live and does this? Who? Tell me right now. And I guarantee you, you will never be able to name anyone other than me, aka PWC, who comes live, who does all the trades live, who makes thousands of dollars every single day in front of you, and never charges you a single penny. So what are you waiting for? Go right now to my website, akapwc.com, follow the steps, get your account set up, get it funded, get it verified, and then join me live here every single day. All right, guys, we're going to call it a live here for today. That was a great trade. Congratulations to all you guys who've gotten started. And Ozigi knows, there we go. How much lot size am I using? So the golden rule I use is one lot size per 10,000 in the account. One full lot size per 10,000 in the account. That's the max risk that I do. So you guys can obviously divide it. If I have $1,000 in my account, I would max do 0.1. If I have $100 in my account, I would max do 0.01, which is the smallest lot size. All right, guys. Thank you guys for joining. I appreciate it. Go to akpwc.com. Get your account set up on Abado. Get it funded. Get it verified. Get access to the range bar system. Watch all the videos in our school community. Don't waste time. We just made $1,000. Let's go. You can be a part of this and you can join me on the journey of getting to $1 billion. So let's get started. All right, guys. Thank you guys all for joining. Thanks for the gifts, the comments, the questions, the likes. You guys racked up the likes like crazy. Almost 12,000 likes. You guys are insane. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Sandra is saying, what lot size for 100K? So the max lot size I would use for 100K would be 10 lots. Just saying, I haven't been getting notifications to get on the live. So guys, I'm also live on YouTube and Twitch, so you can follow me on Twitch and YouTube as well. On Twitch, it's real AKPWC. On YouTube, it's just AKA PWC. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care. We'll see you guys in a few hours.